Morning everyone, and this is Mama Cindy, and today I decided to help you understand the monthly maintenance. Where will you see, how will you know that your monthly maintenance obligation is not met? Right. Let's go to the account that we'll use for this example. Learn more about bonus activity. Click here. The compensation plan is just in your back office. You can just read that a monthly maintenance, actually, it's a subscription, it's a renewal that you are expected to be doing every month. An associate actually is obliged to do 40 PVs. All right. So how do you do this? The 40 PVs they are talking about, you get them by purchasing at least 2 packets. You get here, you see the 3 arrows there at the top left. You click there, click shop auto ship, go to online store. Then when you are here, do not click no. You don't click go status upgrade. When you are here, you click on activity. All right. So click activity. If you are shipping, ship it home, or you want to go collect at the office. The office address is here. You get the office address there. Accept the terms and conditions and continue. Right? So now, when okay, activity, terms and conditions, continue. There you go. So once you are here, you are expected to choose any product you want. So PVs, they're talking about this thing here. You can see 20 PV. So when you click on the plus sign here, this plus sign here, when you click it, you will see at the bottom here, you can see 20 PV. You click 2, it is now 40 PV. So you are expected to just purchase 2, these 2 here, and yeah, it will cost you how much? 900. There it is, 922.50 to do your 40 PVs. So if you didn't do this once every month, your account will not qualify to earn bonuses at APLGO, right? So how do you see that your account is actually fully maintained? Go to the main page. When you get to the main page here, under bonus qualification, you can see the back office is so smart. It tells you whether, so this particular account here does not earn any bonuses. It has not earned anything in December. It will not earn anything also in January. Not completed. So when you maintain, you will see when you click this drop down arrow here, you can see the person is not personally maintaining. No downliner is in business. So this account is just a number. It was just a donation of 375 to the APLGO platform, you know. It was just a donation. This person is not in business. They are not earning any bonuses. Now, so how do I know that this person is in business? Let's see Mama Cindy's account. This is my son Fanelo's account. It's okay. Let's use it. Now, so this account, you can see it's different. It's green. It's checked out. Yes. So you will see here, it means last month in November, Mfanelo maintained for his personal account, his leg one, he's got an active business partner in leg one, he has an active leg partner in leg two. So also in January, the account is fully maintained. So check out your account. If you see red, check if the red is on leg one. It means the downliners on leg one, at least one must maintain. At least one person on your leg two must also maintain. Even if it means you do it yourself, help them. Help your downliners so that your account can be checked green and ready to receive maintenance bonuses. If you don't do this, you are not in business and the APLGO reward system will jump you. I hope you understand. So PVs means personal values. Let's go back to the PVs. Click activity there. Yes, we are here. So you can see these are the PVs. You see them here. Ship click online. Yeah, so here are the PVs. There. So this two package gives you 80 PVs. Single ones, the daily range gives you how many? 20 PVs each. The premium, so it's different. You can purchase one of the premium product and you are good to go, because alt air ice LFT, it will give you 50 PV. The elite range gives you 70 PVs. So if in 1 month you have bought one brain, you are good to go from your profile. So that's how you see the PVs. Those are the PVs. So if you don't understand still, we are here for your guidance. Talk to me, talk to your upliner. We are here to help you. Okay? Morning. Good morning, Team Arise. Good morning, APLGO. Good morning, everyone. And this is Mama Cindy. And today I decided to help you understand the monthly maintenance. Where will you see, how will you know that your monthly maintenance obligation is not met? Right. let's go to the account that we'll use for this example. Log in. Oh, I don't have an account that is not maintained. My God. I need an account that is not made. Let me ask around. I'll come back. Someone will say to me, Mama Cindy, but my business is not strong yet, and my people are not working. What? But they do minimal purchases here and there. You are earning points. You know, when your downliners, they do whatever they are doing, or your upliner give you a spillover. What happens is you are earning points, and these points you are earning, it is cash. So if you do not maintain, these points are falling away. So how do you see if you have points? You go to your menu there, check, go to binary tree. Go to binary tree here, click there, details of your organization, click there. Then you are able to see, check the current volume at the bottom. This is cash accumulating in your back office, and that is what is building your strong leg. Even if your business has not taken off yet, don't make a mistake of not maintaining your personal account, because the points that you are accumulating, it will fall away. So if you remember the account in red, the account that I showed you earlier, if you happen to sign up someone and your account is not seated okay, when you place people, make sure you place on the leg that has got volume, so that you retain your points. I hope I have helped someone there. If you don't understand, please talk to me. Okay, so someone can ask me, Mama Cindy, but why do we maintain? We maintain, number one, to make sure that we are in business, we are well positioned to earn bonuses. Number two, we maintain to retain our points that we accumulated over the months in business. All right. Number three, we maintain to ensure that our company stays in business. Because as we reorder, it sustains the business. So we do it to earn, to sustain the points we have leveraged, we have earned in the company, to earn money, and also to sustain our company. Okay, so yeah, it is very important that you understand that earning points is very critical, very, very, very critical, that we earn and we sustain our business. Okay, so this is Mama Cindy. I love you all, and for now, goodbye.